This is the Biyang Fuzz FZ-10, and wow, is this thing put out some fuzz. So this thing's got 3 different modes on it. Just the normal mode on it, which you can see you've got a level output level, you've got a level fuzz level, and you've got a tone level. And all of these things, really, the variation on these is incredible. It's got normal, bright, and warm. The bright obviously is a brighter tone, and the warm's obviously a warmer, darker fuzz tone, but you can adjust it around using the tone knob and the level of fuzz and the level itself. It's got an all steel case on it. It's well built. Rubber feet on the back. You can run it off of 9-volt or a power supply here. So this has true bypass construction on it. And basically what that means is when the pedal's off, it just goes straight out and into the amp. It's not affected by the circuitry or anything in there. I'm gonna do a little test on this. Obviously you can see this isn't a Marshall stack. It's a small amp with a small speaker. And I'm using a 335 knockoff that's made in China with Chinese humbuckers in it, and I'm on the bridge position. But just check out, I've got these levels set to the middle on everything right here. I'm gonna put the level on 10, the level out of this fuzz star, so you can see what's going on here. So it's just straight up. So I've just got relatively clean on the guitar here. Now watch this. Fuzz up. See the level right there? As you can tell, this thing is an absolute fuzz monster. It's affordable, it's built well, it's got a great switch on it for stomping, and totally cool item to have on your pedal board. I'm pretty happy with it. It's pretty awesome.